Stop what you're doing and learn to read the Edexcel A-level maths mark scheme. So we all know that this M is a method mark, but do you know the difference between the A and the B? So this A is an accuracy mark, but it's dependent upon a method mark. This B is an unconditional accuracy mark, so no prior working needed. And this star means that this equation was given in the question, so it's going to be a show that question, which means that even if you just write down that working, you're not going to get all the marks. You need to have shown all the steps in order to get there. So the mark scheme's always going to show the most common method up here, but if you didn't get that method, it's absolutely fine. Make sure you look down here at all the other methods that you could have used. So lots of information given on this page, but the most important bit is right down here. So crossed out work should be marked unless the candidate has replaced it with an alternative response. So basically what they're saying is don't cross out your working until you've got something to replace it with, because even if you cross it out, it's still going to be marked. So a few more abbreviations for you to know. So FT is a follow-through mark. So if you didn't get the right working beforehand, you can still get those follow-through marks. OE means or equivalent. So for example, if the mark scheme gave it as a fraction, but you gave it as a decimal, as long as it says OE, you're absolutely fine. If you see CSO, we're a bit in trouble because that means correct solution only. So there cannot be any errors in that part of the working. Answers which round to, so it means that even if you didn't get that exact value, as long as your answer rounds to their value, you're fine. And the last one to point out is ISW, ignores subsequent working. So if you got the right answer and then you went off on a tangent talking about something else, you would still get that mark and they'll just ignore everything else. Make sure you save this video and follow for more maths exam techniques.